Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pinnavex. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a vCard QR code. But first, let's talk about what a vCard is and why it's so important. A vCard, short for virtual contact file, is a digital version of your business card that can store all your essential contact details, like your name, phone number, email, company, and even social media profiles in one scannable code. Why is it important? In today's fast-paced world, vCard QR codes simplify the way you connect with others. Instead of handing out a traditional business card or asking someone to manually input your details, you can share all your information instantly with a single scan. It's professional, modern, and leaves a lasting impression. Now that you understand the power of a vCard QR code, let's dive into how you can create one on Pinnavex and start networking smarter. Step 1. Head over to pinnavex.com and on the homepage, click on Create QR Code. Step 2. Once you're on the QR code creation page, you'll see a variety of QR code types. Here, select the vCard QR code option. Step 3. Fill in your details. Now, it's time to input your professional information. You'll see fields for first and last name, email address, company name, job title, street address, city, region, country, and zip code. Add phone number, social media profiles, add as many platforms as you'd like. Add notes. This is perfect for adding a personal touch or important details. Take your time and fill in these fields carefully. This is the information your QR code will share when scanned. Step 4. Customize your QR code. Make your QR code uniquely yours. You can change colors, add a logo or background image, style the QR code's eyes and patterns. Also, add frames or text to make it even more appealing. Step 5. Test and download. Once you've customized your vCard QR code, test it to ensure everything works perfectly. Then, download as a guest for free. No sign-up is required. However, if you'd like to save your QR code for future edits, or if you want to track link performance, it's best to create a free Pinnavex account. Here's how. Scroll up on this page to click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page. Here, you need to enter your name, email address, and a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. Alternatively, you can sign up quickly using your Facebook or Google account with few clicks. Click Register, then check your email inbox for an activation link. Click the link to verify and activate your account. Now, here's our dashboard, where you can manage all your QR codes and track your link performance. Step 1. First, click on Generate QR Code. This will take you to the QR code section. Step 2. Here, you need to choose the vCard QR code option. Give it a name. Step 3. Filling in vCard details. This step is essential, as your vCard QR code will act as your virtual business card. Let's go through the boxes below. First and last name. Enter your full name so recipients can easily identify you. Email address. Provide your professional email address in this box. Company name. Add your company's name. Job title. Enter your job title or position within the company. Street address. Input your office or professional address. City. Specify the city where you're based. Zip code. Provide your location's postal code. Region. Add your state, province, or region. Country. Select your country. Note. Include a brief personal or professional note. Phone number. Tap on the phone number field. You'll see a drop-down menu to add one or more phone numbers. Make sure to add your country code before your phone number. Social networks. Add links to your social media profiles. You can include as many platforms as you want. Once you've completed these sections, double-check to ensure all details are accurate and professional. Step 4. Customizing your QR code style. With your details set, let's move on to styling your QR code. In the Style section, you'll find several customization options. Choose a design that reflects your personality or brand identity. As you make changes, you'll see them instantly reflected in the QR code preview. This is where you can add your unique touch. Step 5. Customizing the eyes. Next, let's customize the eyes of your QR code, the 3 corners of the code. You can adjust the inner and outer eye shapes to match your design preferences. Select your preferred style from the options provided. Step 6. Adding colors. Now, let's make your QR code stand out with color. In the Colors section, customize both the foreground and background colors. For a polished look, choose colors that align with your personal or company branding. Step 7. Adding a frame and text. To make your QR code even more engaging, you can add a frame. Explore various frame styles and choose one that complements your design. You can also add text to the frame, such as "Scan to connect" or "My business card." Customize the font and color of the text to match your branding. Step 8. Uploading your logo. Let's upload your personal or company logo. It will appear in the center of the QR code. Use the logo size tool to adjust its size and position. Step 9. Adding a background image. To make your QR code even more eye-catching, upload a background image. Choose something subtle yet professional to enhance the design. Be careful, if the background image is too bold, it might affect the scannability of your QR code. Use the background transparency tool to adjust its opacity and ensure easy scanning. Step 10. Testing the QR code. Before finalizing, let's test your QR code. Scroll down and use the built-in QR code reader tool to confirm if your QR code is functional. You should see QR code seems to be readable. Always scan your QR code on multiple devices to ensure it works seamlessly. Lastly, create and downloading your QR code. Once you're happy with the design and functionality, it's time to create and download your QR code. You can save it as a PNG, JPG, or other formats. And that's it. You've successfully created your own vCard QR code. This powerful tool ensures your contact details are always just a scan away, making networking simple and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips and features to boost your personal and professional connections. Head over to Pinnavex.com and start creating your QR codes today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.